Hello, in this video I will evaluate a course on food sustainability assessment, a methodological approach. The course was organized by CIHAM, that is International Center for Advanced Mediterranean Agronomic Studies, in cooperation with FAO. The course covers 5 full days. It includes both theoretical perspective and practical exercises. Participants from a number of countries such as Italy, Spain, Tunisia, Turkey, Morocco and Egypt sharing the Mediterranean attended to the course. The course started with an introduction of the director of CIHAM. After that, the FAO drew a general framework related with sustainable food systems conducted by United Nations. Governance was indicated one of the key issues by FAO representatives, and it should be based on normative, that is how it should be a good land, and analytical approach representing how it is. I mean, in one side we see the existing situation, and on the other side we see the desired situation in food system, let's say. Although more than 100 countries sign up to develop their national strategies for transforming food systems, there is no monitoring systems agreed upon. It is indicated that Sustainable Development Goals framework is insufficient to guide food system actions. In this regard, policymakers need indicators to guide decisions taken by them. So, a multi-sectoral indicator framework is needed for transformation of food systems. FAO collects more data on agriculture since 1960s. There is still lack of data on diet quality, livelihood or resilience. One of the most critical issues for me is the data collected at country level. Data at micro level from households and individuals need to be collected for correct comparisons among countries. Water footprint is another important issue that we have seen in the course. We have learned that it is classified in 3 main groups. These are green water footprint, which covers the volume of rainwater evaporated or incorporated into product. Blue water footprint, which is related with the volume of surface or groundwater evaporated or incorporated into product, and this means that there is a loss return flow. And the last one, gray water footprint, that shows the volume of polluted water. When we analyze the food value chain, we see that there is indirect and direct water footprints. Regarding indirect water footprints, in crop cultivation we see all types of footprints, while blue and gray water footprints for food processors. In terms of retailer, we see blue and gray water footprints as direct water footprints. Particularly, we see direct water footprints among consumers. It is considered that 99% of water footprint is invisible, while only 1% related to home water use is visible. Lastly, I would like to mention about synergies and trades-off among environmental, social, economic and nutritional assessments. This is quite important for development experts working on regional development or national development. We learned how to use the right technique for our studies in the regional plans. That is we should use word cafe method, or we should use nominal group technique, or we should use Delphi method in our analysis. In decision making, multi-criteria decision theory and Lanchester theory of value are mostly used in decision making process. So it is very important to get deep knowledge on these methodologies in order to carry out our regional studies efficiently.